Alrighty guys, Brandon from Mineshaft here. Today we got IceRiver unboxing. I went and got inside it. I cut it a little bit, but I didn't open it all the way. I wanted to wait to open it with you guys. Do you want to go ahead? This is the AL3, mainly used for ALPH, but is a Blake3 miner, so you can use it for any Blake3 related crypto. It's one of the newest and up-and-coming cryptocurrencies, so it could be a good bet for a future investment, but at the same time, no one knows what the future holds. So do your own homework and see what you're getting yourself into. Alrighty, so packaging looks nice. I myself have been used to strictly Antminer units, so the quality of IceRiver is pretty good. Looks, everything looks fairly good. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this thing out. Let's see here. Alright, go ahead and set that here. Alright. Okay. Everything looks fairly normal here. We're gonna go ahead and get this opened up. Let's see here. No tape, no problem. Got my trusty key. Alright. Smells like paint. Wet paint. This does look a little bit cleaner, I will say, than the Antminers, even though I've religiously had those prior. I'm excited to run this thing and see what it sounds like, but, not too big of a unit, expected size for what it does. Uses a bunch of power. You want to run this on 220. This foam is not cooperating. I want to get it out of the foam. There we go. Okay. Boom. Power unit is right here. This is a C19, and you plug that into 220, mentioned earlier. Ethernet. And yeah, a lot of people ask, do these miners use a lot of power? Yes. Do they use a lot of data? No. So you don't have to worry really about your internet bill going up. But yeah, we'll get this plugged in and see what it looks like.